Welcome to B1 Lesson 13. We are going to be looking at past simple, past continuous, and past perfect. Let's start with the past simple first. We use past simple for completed actions in the past. Simply, the time is finished. When the action was done and the time is finished, that's when we use the past simple. It is used for a completed action in the past. And the common time expressions like yesterday, last week, in 2000, or ago, long time ago, just like that. See form and example. When we have a regular verb, we just use subject plus verb, which is V2. When we say V2, we have V2 of a regular verb and we have the V2 of an irregular verb. What's the difference between the regular verb and the irregular verb? When I say regular verb, they just have a single form. That single form is to put ed on the verb, like visit, visited, walk, walked, work, worked, act, acted. You just put ed. But for the irregular verb, they just change the form. You don't have just the fixed structure. It's just a changed form. You just have to memorize it. Like I can say, go, went. V2 is went. V2 of teach is taught. V2 of speak is spoke. V2 of drive is drove. So the form is subject plus V2, like that. I finished the work yesterday. She went home early. They watched a movie last night. And in the negative, we say did not plus V1. When we reach into the negative, use subject plus did not plus V1. When you get into the past continuous, for the past continuous, use the past continuous for the action in progress at a specific time in the past. The action going on, but not going on now. It is a past time. It was going on in the past time. We use also past continuous for the background action, the action happening in the background, not the main action. And let's see the form. It is subject plus was or were plus verb ing form. Subject was or were plus verb ing form. I was studying at 8 p.m. She was cooking when I arrived. You see, this is a background action. She was cooking then when I arrived. We use the past continuous for the long action, and the short action we use past simple. They were watching TV. We like to use this past continuous with words like while and when. When I use while, simply there are two actions which are happening at the same time. This is, we use when we are talking about the action that interrupted another action. How about the past perfect? When we say the past perfect, we use past perfect for an action that happened before another action in the past. It's simply the earlier past action. That's when we use past perfect. Let's see the form of the past perfect. It is subject plus had plus V3. I had finished my homework before dinner. She had left when I arrived. They had already started the meeting. And in this case, we're going to compare the three tenses. Remember, it's that we use past simple when the action is finished. The action has a past time which is completed. The time is complete. And when we say the past continuous, we are talking about the action going on at a past time. The action happening at a past time. And the past perfect, we are using it for the first action that happened in the past before another action. The first action in the past before another action in the past. I ate dinner. I was eating dinner. I had eaten dinner. Means like when I say I ate dinner, it's an action which is finished and complete. The time is finished. I was eating dinner means like at that time in the past, this action was happening. I had eaten dinner simply means like there is another action that happened after this action. fill in the blanks here. Let's look at the exercise number 1. You're going to complete using past simple, past continuous, or past perfect based on what you think is the right thing. I dash dash when the phone rang. She dash dash the report before the meeting. They dash dash TV last night. We dash dash when the bus arrived. He dash dash before I got there. Simply, the first one is a past continuous. The second is going to be a past perfect. The next is going to be the past simple. Then this one goes with the past continuous. And the last one, we go with the past perfect. Let's go the next. While I dash dash home, it started to rain. She dash dash before she arrived. We dash dash football yesterday. They dash dash when the manager came in. I dash dash that movie before. You're going to choose the right structure to use in the speech. And here you're going to correct the mistake. I was studied when he called me. She had went home before sunset. They were finished the work early. When I arrived, he cooked dinner. She didn't went to school yesterday. After they had arrived, they were leaving. You're going to correct the mistakes in these sentences and have a good final result of it. Let's choose the answer here. When I arrived, she dash dash dinner. He dash dash the work before the deadline. They dash dash football yesterday afternoon. Here we're going to do this quiz. I dash dash when the alarm rang. She dash dash before I arrived. We dash dash them last weekend. They dash dash all night. He dash dash the task. Ciao, ciao. Hope to see you in the next lesson.